Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can open block list in League of Legends. First of all, go for the right upper corner and select settings. Next, on the left side, select block list. Right here we can find all players that you add to the block list. If you want to remove any of them, all you have to do, just click X when you go for the nickname. As you can see right now, there is no any confirm button. You just simply click X, and right now this person is removed from the block list. So it means that right now you can add this guy to the friendlies. You can use the voice chat or just direct messages. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.